Jared Blikre is also standing by. He's here at the home base with the Yahoo Finance Interactive. Jared, what are you watching?
It's a tale of two markets here. In the West, we have a lot of green on the screen, and that's what we've been seeing recently. S&P 500 at record highs, and yet over here in Asia, especially in China, we have some deep red going on. First, let's take a look at the Shanghai Composite year to date. This is what's going on over the last 24 hours. Here's year to date, down 7.35%. Over the last year, down about 15%, but it gets worse. Usually in China, the Shanghai is a little bit more volatile than Hong Kong, but Hong Kong is doing worse. Over the last year, more than double the return of China, and that's to the downside, down 32%. And just by the way, let's compare that to Tokyo, where we have the Nikkei at a 34-year high, not quite record, but at a 34-year high, up 37% over the last year. And a picture is worth 1,000 words, so let's just take a look at some of the heat maps here. This is a sea of red, but this is only what's going on today. Here is year to date in the NASDAQ Golden Dragon China Index components, and a lot of the components here listed in Hong Kong, like Alibaba, that's down 13% this year alone. Over the last year, you're not going to see a lot of green here. Pinduoduo pretty much carrying the water for the entire sector, for the entire country. That's up 52.7%, but that is the outlier. Take a look at the equal weighted version of this. Everything from here down in dark red is down 40% or more. That is just an incredible amount. Now, China has taken so many lumps that I would say maybe it's time for a little bit of a rebound here. I couldn't say that for sure, but you take a look at some of the U.S. listed stocks that have a lot of China exposure, like Nike. Those are down this year. Those are suffering. Starbucks has been kind of floundering over the last year. China has just been a sore spot. Another final point to consider is that emerging markets, ex-China, have actually done decently well. It's really China being the outlier here, guys.